Hello everyone, good morning. So right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I just woke up, and today I have my farewell, so I will be doing my hair. And this is my natural hair. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is it. It looks quite good even for the morning, but you can see like all this, and this is how it look from the back. You can see it, right? Okay, so I have layer cut and I have curtain bangs on my hair. So yeah, this is it, and we will be doing our hair today together to slay in the evening. So now I will be putting some oil, then washing my hair, and then I will be doing my socks curl. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so firstly you have to detangle your hair. Then I usually put on some mustard oil on my hair and I massage it very well, and I apply that oil only on my scalp, as you can see in the video itself. Then I again comb my hair to bring that oil downwards, and I use different kind of comb here, and I just leave it for maybe at least 1 to 2 hours. Then I'll just take bath. Then I just put this Himalaya protein hair cream on my wet hair after I take a bath. Now for curling our hair we will need two socks. Then we will section our hair in two parts. If you have curtain bangs like me, then you can part that separately as shown in the video. Then we will take a clean socks and then clip it on the side of our mouth. And then as you can see that I'm taking a small amount of hair and putting it in the outward direction from my face, as you can see it clearly from the video. So I take a small section and then put it away from my face. Then you repeat the same process for all the hair. So in this process we take very small amount of hair so that our curls will look very voluminous and good. You'll have to continue the same process until you are done with all your hair, and after you are done, then the remaining part of the socks you can open it from downwards as shown in the video. Then you take the section that you put in your mouth and then you just apply a rubber over there. Yeah, I know it looks funny right now, but you will eventually look good in it. Then you again have to repeat the same process on the other side of your hair. So just take a small section, then put it away from your mouth. Small section away from the mouth. Small section away from the mouth. So you will just repeat the same process until and unless you have done it with all your hair. I think the process is very clear in itself from the video. So you just have to repeat it as shown here and you will be good to go. If you still feel like the video is very fast, then you are recommended to watch it in slow speed. So here we will just repeat the same process over and over again until we are done with all our hair. You are actually recommended to try this socks curl only after the day you have bath, but since I didn't have much time, so I just took a bath and did this curl, but so it did not last that long. So you can clip your hair like so to make it look more pretty. Now onto the curtain bangs, use just small amount of water, then you just roll it with a help of a roller and then you secure it. Let's open it. 라, 멋이 나좀 더 치워요. 아니요. after 2-3 hours, voila, you'll have your hair like this. So if you want your hair to look delicious and curly, then do try this curl yourself, and do share your experience in the comments down below, and follow for more videos like this. Thank you.